tornado's leaving!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Follow me!
I hope these clothespins hold.
Yeah, wouldn't want our underpants falling down. Brought you a souvenir from the outside, bro! A beret! Hooray, awesome, dude!
Want to change the story? You can at goldfishfun.com. Ask your parents' permission.
The National Republic of Gilbertland government has detected a giant hurricane heading for the following states: Remanea, Limenia, Ramana, and Bamana, and this hurricane might be heading for you right now. Evacuate and hide immediately in a bunker or hide under your protective rooms. If you can't find a bunker, then sail immediately with a boat to the US or Mexico. The broadcasting of TV channels will be shut down due to the tornado, and the power will be shut down due to the same reason, so please turn off your TV and hide as fast as you can. Thanks for listening.